So hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Creatrix channel. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishal Soni and I have cleared engineering services examination 2 times from electronics and telecommunication branch, both times in double digit rank. In 2014 my rank was 98 and in 2015 my rank was 25th. I have served as a Group A Gastro Officer in Indian Railways and in Indian Telecommunication Services. So most of you must have been following me on the Creatrix channel for electromagnetic field theory. So if you are a seeker of a free education, this is the channel for you, and you must understand that all these free initiatives is coming your way because of the Unacademy. So Unacademy is the revolution in the field of the free education and the affordable education. So how can you access those free courses? So if you want to access the free courses, you must immediately subscribe this channel, Creatrix channel, because all the top educators of the country is providing the free course on this channel. And that free course is absolutely brilliant in content, that is systematic, that is organized, and that is complete. So complete playlist you will be getting of a particular subject. You can develop the concept, you can gain confidence. More than that, you can love the subject. So immediately subscribe this channel. Secondly, if you want to access more free content, then you must immediately download the Unacademy Learners app, because on the Unacademy Learners app, top educators of the country are conducting the free special classes. In that free special classes, you can get topic wise clarity of a particular concept. And do not forget to follow me on the Unacademy Learning app. So you can also access the courses. So you must have two things. First is your YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, Creatrix YouTube channel, must be subscribed. Secondly, you must understand that you should have the Unacademy Learning app. That is must for you in order to crack the examination. So these are the parts of the free education. And if you want to organize your content well, if you want more comprehensive manner, if you want other advantages of the Unacademy, then what are the other initiatives that is running by the Unacademy? So another initiative that is running by the Unacademy is Unacademy Plus. So on the Unacademy Plus, this is very affordable for those who actually want to take their preparation to the next level. So आपको Unacademy Plus में क्या क्या मिलेगा? You will be getting the live classes on a fixed time, so that you can get more disciplined, you can get more organized, and you have something in your mind that at this particular time my classes are going to run. Apart from that, you will get free test series designed by the educator itself. So gone those times when we have lot of errors in the test series, we do not have the discussions of the test series. So there the test series will be conducted by the educators. They themselves will be discussing the solutions of that particular thing. So you can imagine that your preparation is going to the next level for this. Apart from that, those who have prepared themselves for the examination, so for them there are crash courses also available. Again the crash courses will going to help you in achieve good ranks. Those who have already achieved good ranks and want to improve their rank, for them there are rank improvement batches. More than that, you can also see that there are unlimited practice sessions. So what do you understand by unlimited practice session? Which means there will be various doubt solving sessions. Apart from the doubt solving sessions, there are weekly quizzes, and with the help of those weekly quizzes you can enhance your problem solving skills. So lot of unlimited doubt solving sessions, lot of quiz sessions, systematic content, structured content. You can download the PDF after the lectures, so you don't have to waste your time in order to making notes. You can utilize those times to practice the particular concepts, or you can use those times to just write down the formulas so that you can remember those formulas quickly. Apart from this plus subscription, there is also one subscription which is known as Iconic. So Iconic subscriptions are for them who actually do not have the self motivation but having the talent. So if they are having the talent and you do not have the self motivation, that how can I push myself to crack the examination, so in this Iconic subscription you will be assigned a personal coach. So this personal coach is going to be with you every time, and he will help you to achieve your dreams. You will get a study planner which will be customized for you. You will get the expert guidelines who have already topped the examination. They will be basically hand holding you to crack the examination. So if you think you are not self motivated, if you think you do not have the proper background to crack any particular competitive examination, so this Iconic subscription is must for you. This is going to help you. So if you want the free education, then YouTube channel and the special classes are must for you. And if you can afford a little bit, how much you should afford, that we'll discuss in a while. But if you can afford a little bit, you should come on to this Unacademy Plus. And more than that, if you want the expedited process in your preparation, आप जल्दी से एग्जाम निकालना चाहते हैं, जल्दी से अपनी गलतियां सुधारना चाहते हैं, so this Iconic subscription is for you. Then now let us start today's lecture, which is on the communication system. So now let us start the lecture.
Hello friends, so in the last lecture we studied about pre-envelope, complex envelope and natural envelope. So the pre-envelope was, if any signal x of t whether it is low pass or band pass. For both the cases, the pre-envelope was x of t plus jx cap t, and the spectrum was 2 times x omega for positive omega and 0 for omega less than 0. So suppose this x of t is low pass, then its spectrum was x omega versus omega minus omega m. And since it is low pass, so if I have to draw the spectrum of pre-envelope, so it will contain only positive side of the spectrum, and on a negative side it will make it 0. And if this is x of 0, it will make it 2 times x of 0. So here you can see that this is a low pass signal because lower cutoff frequency is 0. This is also a low pass signal because lower cutoff frequency is 0. So you can say that the pre-envelope of low pass signal is nothing but a low pass signal. Similarly, let me assume this x of t to be a band pass or narrow band signal. So this is the spectrum of band pass or narrow band signal. This is omega c, this is omega m, this is omega c minus omega m, and let me put this value as x of omega c. Now what will be the spectrum of envelope? We know that envelope will discard negative frequencies, it will retain only positive frequencies, and it will double the amplitude. So this amplitude will become twice x of omega c. So from here you can see that I have considered this signal as band pass. So this is the spectrum of band pass signal. Now if I have taken the envelope of this signal, then the spectrum of pre-envelope is also band pass in nature because the spectrum is centered around omega c and lower cutoff frequency is very much greater than 0. So from here you can say that the pre-envelope of band pass signal is another band pass signal. So these two conclusions are important. So let me write these conclusions one by one. First is pre-envelope of low pass signal results in another low pass signal. Second statement is pre-envelope of band pass signal results in another band pass signal. And finally, the complex envelope of band pass signal results in low pass signal. So these three statements are important. This statement we have already proved in the last lecture, and these two we just saw. Now let us see how we can represent a band pass signal mathematically. So first of all, let me consider this x of t signal to be a band pass signal. So this is your band pass signal. We know that the pre-envelope of this bandpass signal will be xt plus jx cap t, and this pre-envelope will be some complex valued signal. Now if I have to write the complex envelope of xt, so complex envelope of xt can be written as xct equal to pre-envelope into e power minus j omega ct, or you can see from here that this x of ct is multiplication of two complex signal. This is also a complex signal, and this will also result in a complex signal. So in general, I can assume my x of ct to be a complex signal with some real part and some imaginary part. Real part I am denoting it as xit, and imaginary part I am denoting as xq of t. So I am denoting xct equal to xit plus j xqt. We know that the complex envelope of a bandpass signal is a low pass signal. So this signal is low pass. That is why I can say that this x of t, which I am denoting as in phase component of complex envelope, and xqt, which is quadrature phase component of xct, both these are real valued low pass signal. So this xct, which is a complex valued low pass signal, can be broken into two real valued low pass signal by writing it in rectangular form. I can also write it in polar form as at e to the power j phi t, and the value of at will be under root of xi square t plus xq square t, and tan phi t will be xq of t upon xi of t. So in this manner you can also write it in polar form. So now I can write this x of ct to be some xit plus j xqt. We know that xct is x plus t e power minus j omega ct, or I can write it as x plus t equal to xct e power j omega ct. We know that x plus t is xt plus j x cap t. Similarly, you can write this x of ct to be xit plus j xqt into e power j omega ct. Now if I take real part of the both sides, so real part of xt plus jx cap t equal to real part of xit plus jxqt into cos omega ct plus j sin omega ct. So the real part of this particular expression will become x of t, and let us solve this particular expression. So it becomes xit cos omega ct plus j times xit sin omega ct plus j times xqt cos omega ct minus xqt sine omega ct. So the x of t comes out to be xit cos omega ct minus xqt sine omega ct. So we have calculated the value of x of t. So the x of t comes out to be xit cos omega ct minus xqt sine omega ct. We have initially assumed x of t to be bandpass signal. So any bandpass or narrowband signal in general can be represented like this. So also, if I will compare the imaginary part both the sides, xt plus jx cap t equal to imaginary part of xit cos omega ct minus xqt sine omega ct plus j xqt cos omega ct plus j xit sine omega ct. So upon comparison you get x cap t equal to xq t cos omega ct plus xit sine omega ct. So this is the Hilbert transform of a narrowband signal. So in general, if x of t is narrowband signal or bandpass signal, then the general expression of a narrowband signal will be in phase component multiplied with cos omega ct minus quadrature phase component multiplied with sine omega ct. We can also write it as x of t equal to some magnitude xi square t plus xq square t cos omega ct minus tan inverse xq of t upon xi of t. Now we have already written our signal xct to be xit plus jxqt. So the magnitude of xct was a of t, which was under root of xi square t plus xq square t, and the angle of xct, which was phi t, comes out to be tan inverse xqt upon xit. So the signal x of t can be written as a of t cos omega ct plus phi t. So now what we have discussed till now, that if we have a narrow band signal x of t or a band pass signal x of t, then we can always calculate its complex envelope, which comes out to be x plus t e to the power minus j omega ct, and in general complex envelope can be represented by a of t into e to the power j phi t, which is nothing but xit plus j times xq of t. Now, if you know the complex envelope, then you can write x of t as xit cos omega ct minus xqt sin omega ct. This is the first method to write a narrowband signal. Secondly, you can convert it into polar form. So it becomes a of t cos omega ct plus phi t. And this a of t is under root xi square t plus xq square t. And this is known as natural envelope or just envelope. So you know that xct is equal to x plus t e power minus j omega ct. So we can say from here that modulus of xct will be is equal to the modulus of x plus t. So this is the first expression. Now we also know that xct can be written as xit plus j xqt, or in polar form a of t e to the power j phi t. So from here the magnitude of xct will be 80. This is the second expression. Now if I will combine all these expressions, then we can say that the magnitude of complex envelope is always equal to the magnitude of pre-envelope, and it will always be equal to the natural envelope. So the magnitude of complex envelope will always be equal to the magnitude of pre-envelope, and it will always be equal to natural envelope, and this value will be equal to under root of xi square t plus xq square t, or under root of x square t plus x cap t whole square. So this is very important observation. This observation you should always remember. Now let us see few important points. For example, if x of t is a band pass signal, so in general x of t can be written as m of t cos omega ct. So this x of t is a band pass signal and it depends on omega c. Now what about pre-envelope? The pre-envelope will be mt e power j omega ct. Now if the signal is band pass in nature, then pre-envelope will also be band pass in nature, and it also depends on omega c. Also we know that pre-envelope has complex nature, so it is a complex band pass signal which depends on omega c. What about complex envelope? The complex envelope will be mt, which is a complex low pass signal, and it is independent of omega c because no term of omega c is present. And what about natural envelope? It will be mod of xct, it will be mod of mt. So if m of t would have been complex, then mod m of t will always become real, so it becomes real low pass signal, and it is also independent of omega c. So these are the few important points which you should remember. Now let us understand how to extract the in phase and quadrature phase component. So x of t is a band pass signal. So this x of t can be written as xit cos omega ct minus quadrature phase sin omega ct. Now in the case 1, what I am doing, I am multiplying this cos x omega ct. So whenever I will multiply this x of t with cos omega ct, I am denoting it as yt. So this yt becomes xit cos omega ct minus xqt sin omega ct multiplied with cos omega ct. So the output becomes xit cos square omega ct minus xqt cos omega ct into sin omega ct. So this output can be written as xit by 2 plus xit by 2 cos 2 omega ct minus xqt by 2 sin 2 omega ct. Now what will happen if I will pass this y of t through a low pass filter and will generate z of t. We know that both xqt and xt are real valued low pass signal. So whenever this y of t equal to xit by 2 plus xit by 2 into cos 2 omega ct minus xq of t by 2 sin 2 omega ct is passed through a low pass filter. So this signal has low pass nature. Here low pass is multiplying with a high frequency carrier, so it becomes band pass in nature. This also becomes band pass in nature. So whenever the signal is passed through a low pass filter, the low pass filter's output will always be xit by 2. So this was the case 1. In this case, we extracted the in phase component from the narrowband signal. Now in case 2, in the similar manner, I am obtaining a signal yt by multiplying this narrowband signal with sin omega ct. So this will become yt equal to xit cos omega ct minus xqt sin omega ct into sin omega ct. So this you can write it as x of t equal to cos omega ct into sin omega ct minus xq of t sin square omega ct. So this output can be written as xit sin 2 omega ct by 2 minus xqt by 2 plus xqt cos 2 omega ct by 2. We know that xit and xqt have low pass nature, so this signal has nature of low pass. Here a low pass signal is multiplying with a high frequency carrier, so it becomes band pass. This also becomes band pass. So if I will pass this signal through a low pass filter, then the z of t will become minus xqt by 2. So if I have to design a circuit, so what I will do, this x of t is first of all multiplied with cos omega ct. So for cos omega ct, I am taking a oscillator, and then I will provide minus 90 degree phase shift to it, so it becomes sin omega ct, and I will multiply x of t with sin omega ct. So from here you will get y1t, from here you will get y2t. I will pass this y1t from low pass filter, and the output will come out as xit by 2. I will also pass this y22 with this low pass filter, so the output will come out as minus xqt by 2. So in this manner you can recover the in phase and quadrature phase components of a signal x of t. And the last important point is that the natural envelope is under root of xi square t plus xq square t. So here also you can say this xi of t can be written as at cos omega ct, and this quadrature phase component can be written as at sin phi t. Sorry, this will be phi t. And tan phi t is xqt upon xi t. So that is it.
So if you have liked today's lecture and you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, the very first thing that you should understand that you should use this particular code. What is the code? The code is Vishal Gate. Write my name and attach gate to it. So by using this particular code, you will be getting all the advantages of the Unacademy Plus. All the added advantages will be directly assigned to you. Secondly, you will directly come to under my guidance, and that will surely help you to crack the examination in the least possible time, and you will also get the guidance of the complete team. Okay, and the most important thing is that you will immediately get the 10% discount on that. So immediately you are enabled to get 10% discount once you use this coupon code. So for example, if you talk about the plus subscription, which is costing you 25,000 for 1 year, and if you use this coupon code Vishalgate, immediately you are going to get 10% discount, which is 22,500. And if you talk about the iconic, for the iconic subscription of the 12 month, this will cost you around 40,400. So these are the cost of the 12 months. And if you want to talk about the 2-year subscription, cost of the plus, it is your 27,000 after discount. If you want more discount than 10%, and you have already attended the special classes, then you will be having some credits in your account. Do not forget to use those credits so that you can get more discount than 10%. Now, how can you pay these amounts? So there is one good news for you, that you can pay this amount by using credit cards and debit cards by using the facility of the zero cost EMI. So if you want to pay this particular amount of 22,500 with the help of zero cost EMI, so the zero cost EMI can be availed by using credit cards and debit cards. Remember, you can use the credit card of any company, but the debit card is allowed for HDFC and the Bajaj Finserv. Apart from that, if you want to directly pay this much of amount, you think that this particular amount is the most affordable fees that can be provided to you for 1 year subscription, तो आप directly क्या कर सकते हैं? You can use this credit card, debit card, direct payment. You can also go for the EMI options, okay, and you can directly pay this amount by using net banking. Every time you think of the Unacademy Plus subscription, the first thing that should come in your mind is this particular code. Do not forget to use this code once you take the subscription, because I have already told you that this particular coupon code is going to give you the lot of advantages, so you cannot miss the opportunity to use this code. So every student who want to come on to the Unacademy Plus, they want to take the advantages of the Unacademy Plus, they want to empower themselves in the best possible manner in this digital era, they want to be the part of this revolution, then this is the time for you. You do not have to wait for it. If you are in the first year, if you are in the second year, you are in the third year, the best possible time is right now to prepare for the examination, to dedicate yourself, to give yourself the opportunity so that you can get the success as early as possible. Apart from that, you should also join this GATE aspirant group. So this GATE aspirants group is already having 150k plus students, so you can join it. There are a lot of discussions going on between students. You can get the advantage of those discussions. Okay. You can also join this Creatrix channel, which is a Telegram channel. So everyone has to join this channel so that you can get all the PDFs of the lecture which is being assigned to you. Fine. There are various channels which you can go for it. So various channels in the association with Creatrix. So you can follow the channel of your interest. And this is it in today's lecture. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you so much.